Hello everybody, my name is Nicole from Purple Duchess. We are a natural skincare based company here in Brooklyn, New York. And today I'm going to share with you how I make our Black Rose Foaming Wash. Now, our Black Rose Foaming Wash has active charcoal, a oil-free foam base. It also has Bentonite Clay and Rosemary essential oils. Now, Black Rose Foaming Wash is great for people who have oily skin or an oily and acne prone skin. So this is a really great option for you to try. If you are interested in purchasing any customizable skincare routine from Purple Duchess, please contact us and we will have a short discussion about your skin and what needs you are wanting to give your skin more of a natural beauty and a natural glow. Okay, to begin, today I'll be using our foam wash, which is here, which is our base. This is about 4 ounces, so I'm going to make about a 4 to 5 ounce bottle of wash. So this is our base here. Make sure it's in the camera. This is about 4.2 ounces. So I'm just going to add this to our measuring cup here. Now I like this wash because it kind of gets to everything. It's an all-around wash. I mean, even if you don't really have oily skin, you can still use this because you still need to detoxify your skin. And you don't want anything too harsh or too oily on your skin. Anyway, in a wash, you don't want to leave behind that greasy feel to your skin. I don't like that anyway. So I like to have a clean rinse, a clean wash. And this will definitely do that. Okay, so in the measuring cup, I added my 4 ounces of base. Now, I will be adding our active charcoal, which is really dark and black, and this is so good for your skin. This is one of the things in this wash that will really help like detox. Like, we're outside all day, we're wearing makeup, we're wearing all kinds of things on our skin, and sometimes our skin needs to be detoxed, and this is really great. So I'm going to add here half a teaspoon to the wash. Make sure I get it even out. Don't want to use too much. So a half a teaspoon to the wash. It's going to make it really dark. So don't get off, it's necessary because the charcoal is dark and it's going to look dark. I'm giving you the potency. I'm not trying to water anything down. I'm giving you exactly what is necessary. So sometimes the products may come in different colors or whatever. It's all natural colors. Nothing is added to make it look different or anything like that. So now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of Bentonite Clay, which is a healing clay. And Bentonite Clay is also good to absorb any toxins also in your skin. It's really good. So a half a teaspoon of that goes into the wash. Okay. Now with my lovely purple spatula here, I'm going to just concentrate everything together. Mix it up really good. It gets a little good. You might get a little dusty. The dust from it might fly up. But you can see it is getting rather dark, grayish color. And that's fine. You want to mix that up really, really well. You see, it's a little gray. It's not bad. Okay. So I think that's kind of nicely mixed in. Give it a few more spins. We should be good. Now, I'm going to add the rosemary. Now, the rosemary has a natural antiseptic properties, so it will definitely help to disinfect. And if you have oily skin, it will help unclog those pores. And it also has a great scent. So this is rosemary. Also will give it a scent, a natural, earthy scent to it. So I'm gonna add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of rosemary essential oil. Let me make sure I put it. No, this is that. Nope, that's not it. Okay, here we go. Okay, 1/8 of a teaspoon. So that's about 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. So I'm going to add that to it. Close this up. Mix it once again. Make sure that's nice and mixed, right? It smells good. It's too bad it's not smell-o-vision, but when you get it, you'll smell it and you'll see perfection in your skin. You can use this every day. You know, every day is fine. It's a great cleanser after you make up, just out all day sweating from the gym, from just running errands at the end of the night, and you want to clean up and you want to detoxify and start fresh. This will do it. So here's my bottle. I have it backwards. Black rose. Bottle was already there. Sorry if I had it all mixed up. So I'm going to add this to my bottle. Excuse that mess. This is for me, so I wouldn't be selling this one to you. Anyhow, see if I can wipe this off. Here's my funnel. Just clean up my mess here. Okay, funnel. Jar. This foam wash is kind of thick, so it may take some time to go down into the bottle. You know what? I'm going to add just a little bit of aloe vera juice to it to loosen it, which of course is always good. Aloe vera juice is just awesome. I make my own from hand by scratch using the aloe leaf, so it's even better. No preservatives, no anything. Let me just see if I can add that back. This is really thick. So. This is our Black Rose Foaming Facial Wash with active charcoal and rosemary essential oil. Contact us at our website at www.purpleduchess.com. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. All the information is below. Thank you so much for watching.